Now that it's post-GST, every single business that is a GST registrant need to actually hands-on and implement the GST itself. And once it becomes part of their business workflow, it's no longer a problem because they need to understand it in depth, and therefore they will apply it on a regular basis. It is well published by Custom itself that 30% of the April GST return is actually incorrectly filed. The same situation will reoccur in July again during the highest submission of the first GST submission for a lot of people. So if there is no system to keep track of the daily transaction, it's nearly impossible to tally all the GST related transactions and at the same time keep track of the GST rules. There are two groups of people. The first group actively seeking it. The second group, I'm not that concerned, I'll just wait. I would advise everyone to be in the first group because handling GST probably is definitely the responsibility of individual business. The recent wave of businesses being hauled to court and threats of penalty on GST matters, it causes a lot of business to be very alert. So there's no challenges in terms of upgrade because the business themselves are very aware now that this is their responsibility. They cannot neglect it. Would advise them even post-GST, maybe in 2015, second half of the year, or in 2016 even, to start budgeting every year of what they need to do to be GST compliance, and they need to have a small little fund to set aside that, okay, these are the funds that I'm going to give to my accountant, auditor, bookkeeper or software vendors to prepare for GST. And of course, the second part of it is actually to be able to retain a good employee within the accounting department. Obviously, with GST, accounting plays a very important role in the near future until they are very familiar with it and have a very good workflow to deal with the GST. Hello, I'm Christopher Liu from SQL Accounting Software. We would like to welcome you to GST Expo and Conference 2015 in Nexus Bangsar South on the 12th to 14th July 2015.